Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this is an automatic radio FM tuner combination FM 8-track player, and this comes from Joey in Gainesville, Georgia, and let's see, this I normally charge a $2.95 to repair a combination radio 8-track unit. In this unit, the FM reception is just really poor, and due to parts availability issues, I'm just not able to do much with it. And unit's not really a good candidate for conversion, so I charge about half price, mainly just to fix the 8-track section and get that going. One common problem with the 8-track and FM was that the volume was at full blast on the left side, regardless of the setting. I did fix that. The program change button was pretty much sunk down into the unit. You had to really kind of dip your fingernail in there to press it, and now I've got it raised up, and you press it, and pushes in really easily. And so we'll just turn the radio on real quick, make sure the radio does work.
Listen to KYCA, and I want to tell you that the Automax testimonials you hear are real. I don't know how many times
so now we'll pop in an 8-track,
no
and we have to push this switch in to get a tape in there, or to play the tape. Ooh, dramatic end of a song there. Okay, got another song starting in a moment here. Take a quick look and make sure we got both speakers. Okay, and that takes care of that, and then we push this button in again, and the FM radio comes back.
Yellow signs.
So there we go, and we push the switch off with no tape in, and that turns the unit off completely. And I will just take a guess and say the unit turns on automatically in this position when you put a tape in. Yeah. Alrighty, so there we go. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to, hey, this is my last video of the day, so I'm out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. If you download and print a work order, then it'll be a 5-minute phone call instead of a 15-minute phone call with the questions. My work order has all my options that I offer, all my prices, including options for turnaround time. My work order will answer all your questions about the business end of it. And then so that way, when you go to call me, it's just to have a quick little friendly chat and maybe ask a couple last-minute questions. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Joey, for your business all the way from Gainesville, Georgia, and we'll see you guys next time.